All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we are going to go through the agenda for October 29th, Thursday, and Friday, October 30th. The objective for these days will be able to determine if a relation is a function, to state the domain and range of a function, and then to evaluate the function. And we'll see that the videos that we're watching today are really just an extension of what we've already learned. So just digging a little bit deeper. So what we've got to be careful about is that we really understand what's going on and what we should be doing here with the agenda. So we are right now in the watch this first. And so we're going through the agenda, what we should be doing, and our objectives for the day, what we should be learning by the time we get done with this. Okay? The next thing that you should do is go through and watch and complete the notes. And so these goes with our quarter one note-taking guide. This is the last chapter in our quarter one note-taking guide. After we finish this test, we'll be in the quarter two note-taking guide. But you will go to pages 97 and 98, and just like you would in class, follow along and take notes. Now, some students prefer to watch the video first and then watch it again and take the notes. Okay? But as you're going through there, just like you would be in class, if there's something that you don't understand, you should be putting a star by it, a question mark by it, something so that when we have a Zoom session, you know what you want to ask about. Okay? So we've got two sets of that. After we go through and we do those, we watch those videos, we might need to stop, start, watch again. Then when you feel comfortable, you're going to move on to the assignments. Now today we just have one assignment, but there have been a couple before this in chapter 4, so if you haven't done those, great opportunity on a little bit of a lighter day to go back and make sure that you have Math Excel assignments done for chapter 4. This one is just called Functions Homework because it really does address all of these objectives. It goes through and gives us practice problems on all of these. Our other lessons that we've had before this dealt with specific ones, each one of these objectives. Now we're kind of almost in a review and digging deeper. Keep in mind that with Math Excel homework, you can retry problems several times. You can ask for a hint. You can ask for a similar problem. This is where you should really be doing some practicing. It's also where if you have questions, you need to either write that question from Math Excel down, or you need to have it on your screen ready to go. And when you come to the Zoom session, you can share your screen and show me what the question is. Okay? What you do have to be careful about is you can't tell me, I need problem 4 on the math functions homework, because in Math Excel, it scrambles the assignment numbers. So your number 4 and someone else's number 4 will be different. So I really do need you to tell me the problem itself. Okay? Now, what we need to be doing more of, I believe, is we need to be attending these Zoom sessions. Zoom sessions where you get your questions answered. But you have to have done this work up here in blue and in orange before, blue and green before, because you need to know what you know and what you don't know. Okay? Coming to a Zoom session and saying, I don't get it, doesn't help us, doesn't give us a starting point. So you really have to put the time in before, watch the videos, complete the notes. Try the homework, knowing that you can try that Math Excel assignment again and improve that score. But you need to figure out, hey, I know this and I don't know this. Then you need to come to these Zoom sessions and ask questions. Okay? We have a Zoom session today, October 29th at noon, and then we have one October 30th, that's tomorrow, Friday, at noon also. Okay? If you have any questions on the agenda or anything else, just give me a Canvas inbox or an email, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope to see you at one of the Zoom sessions.